This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jack Brundage. Rare opportunity. Beautifully renovated 3-bedroom 2-bath ranch home in the heart of West Knox with 900 square foot guest house. Guest house was built in 2019 and features covered front porch, open floor plan with cathedral ceiling, kitchen with island, master suite with laundry and master bath, separate office which could also be second bedroom and a half bath. The third bay in the 3-car garage is connected to the guest house by a covered breezeway. Large, level lot is professionally landscaped, private, fenced and includes a storage shed with electricity. This home is perfect for an extended family or someone looking for rental income. For more information, review the details below or contact Jack Brundage at 865-693-1111.